Some of the safety challenges at a jewelry manufacturing facility include things like cuts and punctures, industrial hygiene, as well as making sure that all of our employees are comfortable in their working environments.
Jewelry manufacturing is a very manual process. A lot of our production is made by jewelers, polishers, and setters. 100% of the jewelry we make immediately goes to the quality department to be graded. If you aren't making things to our high standards at Tiffany, it's easy to tell that your quality is degraded or you're tired or that you're in a position where ergonomics concerns and things like that are starting to wear you out at the end of the day.
I think the safety culture here at this site has come a long way in the past almost 5 years that I've worked here. We have a lot more interaction, a lot more engagement.
I am on the safety team, as well a member of the medical emergency response team. So I will help people if they do get hurt and also help people prevent themselves from getting hurt.
Ronnie and team really built very strong foundation how to create a good safety cultures in this organization. Not only training people, not only creating procedures, not only enforcing people how to follow the safety rules, but also how to create this activity kind of like fun.
5-6 years ago, we wouldn't do stretch breaks. So when we implemented those stretch breaks, relieve the stress and the tension that's built up in those muscles after working that long, it's a great benefit to them. You do the best you can to minimize all those types of things, and then the results follow from that.
If we make sure that people are safe, they will be more comfortable to work with us, and at the end, this will be a win-win situation for employee and organization.
I think what makes me the most proud about the work that I do here at Tiffany is making a difference and making sure that people go home the same way that they came. If you put a program in place, make sure you inspect what you expect, because things that get measured get done.